keep my butt on the seat. Oh my gosh. Ah!
Hey guys, what's up? We're here in Pigeon, Tennessee, getting ready to ride the Alpine Mountain Coaster. On the last one, on the Rocky Top coaster, Melissa had the Chesty GoPro, which is what I'm holding in my hand right now, and last time I had the 360. So we're gonna change it on this one. So I'm gonna wear the Chesty, Melissa's gonna have the 360 on her wrist. All right, let's go find her and let's jump on the coaster.
Here we go. Whew, this is going up pretty high. This is, oh gosh, there's a lot of bugs. Now I have to cover my mouth. Oh. I'm really scared to leave my mouth open because there's all kinds of bugs. Wow, this is a really, really long climb. Here we go. Push to go. Woo-hoo! Whee! Woo-hoo! Ah! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Woo-hoo! Ah! Oh my gosh, there's no real bug. Woo! Woo! Ah! 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 Oh, we got a dip. Woo! Oh gosh. Ah! I'm trying to keep my butt on the seat. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! Oh gosh. Okay. I had to slow down for a second. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Ah! Ah! Oh. Oh gosh. Oh. Ah! Oh, there's tears coming out of my eyes. Holy cow. How does this thing stay on? It's going so fast. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Oh gosh. Pure fear in my face there. Oh. Oh gosh.
End of the ride.
That was insane.
All right, here we go. I am not braking. That's a sharp turn. Beat it to it. Oh my God. Oh, that's a good ab workout. Keeping yourself in this thing. No brakes, no brakes, no brakes. It's not done yet. Ah! Oh wow, that was awesome. First thoughts coming right off the track.
I think I got some protein.
Oh, you got some bugs? You got some bugs?
From screaming. That was insane. Completely different from Rocky Top Mountain Coaster.
Yeah, with Rocky Top you get little bursts of thrill. This one, If you don't brake the entire way down, which I didn't brake the entire way down, I don't know if you did, but
I had to at one point. I thought I was going to fall out of my seat.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, there was a couple places where I felt like I was gonna fly out, but before we got on, I saw that these things were locked on the track, and I knew we were gonna fly off, hopefully. And I just pegged it all the way down, and I'm sore right here from holding myself on the thing. I would encourage you guys to check them both out. They're both really good in their own right. So if you're here in Pigeon Forge, make sure to check out Alpine Mountain Coaster, and also give Rocky Top Coaster a try too.
Travel and Foodie Warrior approved. All right,
cool.
we're gonna coast our way to some food.
Yeah, let's go find some food. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.
I wonder if anyone's ever seen bears on these coasters. I'm sure there's all kinds of bears out here. Yep. I could be bear bait.